our focus is on the big news of the day, and that is actor Dharmendra passing away. Dharmendra ji was a icon of the Hindi film industry, and today he is no more, as the entire industry pays respect to him. Joining us right now from outside his home is India Today's Sana Farzeen. Sana, do tell us what is the mood there, and also the family apparently is now heading back from the cremation ground. Do tell us what's happening there.
Yes, from what we are hearing, the family, Hema Malini, Isha Deol and Sunny Deol's sons, they have left the cremation ground, but there are still no visuals of Sunny Deol or Bobby Deol. We are seeing cars driving in the Dharmendra's house at the moment, and the family is said to actually have left the cremation ground. And now, because they are all home, we can all kind of expect the official statement from the family to come any time now. They have been very clear of wanting to keep this very private and very personal, as how Dharmendra and his family have lived their life away from the stardom, away from the media glare, and this is how they wanted to bid their father goodbye. Of course, Sunny Deol and Bobby Deol have been, we've been seeing them in and out of hospitals. When Dharmendra was admitted in the hospital earlier this month, on 12th of November, Dharmendra actually was discharged, and this is where he actually came back home. The family had wanted to keep him surrounded by his loved ones, and the doctors then had officially said that the further treatment will be done in the house amid him being surrounded by his family. The actors from the Bollywood industry, celebrities who had arrived to pay the last tribute to Dharmendra, have also left the cremation ground from Akshay Kumar, Salman Khan, Amir Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, Rajkumar Santoshi, Mika, Bhushan Kumar. They were all seen rallying around the Deol family to pay their condolences to the family on this major emotional moment at now. Hema Malini and Isha Deol have already left the cremation ground. They were one of the first to actually arrive there at around 1:30. At 1 p.m. right here, at the ambulance had arrived to take the mortal remains to the cremation ground. It's a big, big loss for the family and, of course, the industry. We've been hearing his co-stars talk so fondly about him and reminiscing about their good old days, about their times when they worked with Dharmendra. He is, of course, known as the He-Man of Indian cinema because, of course, of his physique. And it's very interesting that at a time where we all talk about how actors needs to be fit and with maybe six-pack abs and having the best of the physique, he actually changed the way heroes were portrayed on screen with his Punjabi roots. We were all right now we can see that Salman Khan's car is arriving at the bungalow, and he is here to be with the Deol family. He has always maintained that he's been very close to the Deol family. Dharmendra too had mentioned how he sees his younger self in Salman Khan, and this is his car. He's arrived here even before Sunny and Bobby Deol have come home. It just shows how Dharmendra was not just a superstar on screen, but off screen. He's built such great warm bonds that people across the industry have actually raced to be with the family, to be with them on their emotional moment. Of course, Shah Rukh had also visited Dharmendra when he was admitted in the hospital. And Amitabh Bachchan, he was also one of the first ones to arrive at the cremation ground. We all remember Amitabh Bachchan and Dharmendra as the Jai Viru from Sholay. They have kind of created this mark, this friendship, this bond that actors had. And Jai Viru today is, they've set an example of how friendship should be. I think every time people talk about friends, Jai and Viru is
Clearly,
one of the biggest examples.
We'd just like to request you to keep an eye over there, and we will be coming back to you as we get more news of the family and the friends who are coming there to pay their last respect. Veteran actor Dharamji leaves a legacy that everyone will remember, and especially those who worked with him in some form or the other or interacted with him on the sets. One such person, writer Javed Akhtar, spoke to us just a short while ago.
An era has come to an end. We say it so often that it has lost its gravitas. But with Dharamji, it's true. With him, an era has come to an end. He was the last symbol of that era. where there were such actors and directors. There was a particular way of making films and so on, which has all changed. He was the last memory and last proof of that time. There is no doubt about it. And I have been fortunate enough to be associated with him right from the beginning. When I came to film industry, he was so nice to all of us assistants, particularly me, as if he is my elder brother who is asking me to do something or whatever. He, gentle, decent, nice, having a sense of humor, talking to us with a smile. I mean, he was a very unusual person.
Because since so many days he was not well, he was just praying. बीच में परिवार से मेरी बात भी हुई, लेकिन सब बस दुआ कर रहे थे. For me, I can say this: कि I have started my career with the blessing of Dharamji. The first time I met some big star and such a humble person, he was with Dharamji, and all the time he helped me, and later on I have become there like a family member. I worked so many films with Dharamji and also Sunny, Bobby, and recently Dharamji has done a play for my daughter.
Actor and politician Raj Babbar speaking about Dharmendra ji and talking about how he was part of his early career, how he was a motivation for him and how he also helped him. Remember, Dharmendra ji was also very active as an actor in the 80s and the 90s when multi-starrers were the norm, and that's when Raj Babbar had also come in, and that is the reason why Dharmendra ji shares a beautiful relationship with many actors in the industry. Many remember him as the kind, gentle-hearted soul who helped them, who motivated them, who encouraged them to perform better. He also was a producer, let's remember that as well, not just a good actor. He had his own film production where he launched his sons. He did not want the control of the narrative of his sons and their career to go to anyone else, and he carefully crafted the launch of his two sons as well, with massive hits in their names and becoming their launch pad. So not just a wonderful actor, but a great producer as well.